Hello everyone and welcome to the Ultimate Salesforce CPQ course. Imagine yourself having the expertise to set up Salesforce CPQ from scratch, tailoring product configuration to align perfectly with your company's offering and designing sleek professional code templates that impress customers. Picture yourself orchestrating personalized pricing and discounting strategies while using advanced automation tools like product rules and price rules. My name is Badr Zaran, a dedicated consultant with deep expertise in Salesforce CPQ, and I've created this course to transform professionals like you into CPQ experts, ready to transform their businesses or clients' operation with precision and confidence. Our journey together will cover every aspect of Salesforce CPQ in a structured and practical way, starting with an overview of CPQ, uncovering its process, features, and benefits. From there, I will help you set up a developer org to guide you step by step throughout the CPQ implementation. And once we set up CPQ, we will roll up our sleeves and start creating and managing codes in the code line editor. CPQ is all about product. That is why we will have 5 dedicated sections on CPQ products, including product bundles, attributes, subscriptions, MDQ, and usage-based product. When it comes to pricing, we will learn everything about pricing methods, block pricing, contracted, custom markup, and how to set up discounting. And as you may know, CPQ is all about automation. That's why we will have 3 sections on automation where you will learn how to choose the best automation tool for your business from product rules, price rules, and summary variable. Then you will learn how to design professional code templates for your customers. Afterwards, you will discover how to manage the life cycle of your sales process with efficiency following orders, assets, subscriptions, and contracts. And finally, we will reach the last step of the CPQ process where we will dive into renewals and amendments, helping the business create long-lasting customer relationships. This course is not just about learning theory. It's about technical skills in your transformation journey. That is why each time we implement a feature, I will start by explaining the feature, setting up the feature, and demoing the feature using a real-world example. The way I see it, this course is not just about learning CPQ, it is designed to be a CPQ toolbox ready for you to use whenever you need it. I hope that this agenda helped you understand what this journey is about. I want to make sure that you are ahead of the curve and ready to deliver value in your organization or projects with confidence. So, without any further ado, let's start our transformative journey together. Thank you for watching. Now you have an idea what the course roadmap is and how it will help you master Salesforce CPQ under 12 hours. If you're excited to dive deeper, explore the full course in Master Salesforce CPQ today, click the link in the below description to get the full course on Udemy. You will gain a lifetime access, exclusive content, and a certificate of completion. See you there.